Hi, we're gonna make char siu barbecue pork, Chinese barbecue pork. Called Thai is mu dang, and reason why is grandma wants to eat it, so why not make it? I can make it. Okay, kind of. Okay, first you got to do some crushed garlic. This is about a bulb of garlic. Okay, because I'm gonna marinate it a lot. Okay, so think about 5 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add 6. 6. Char siu is quite a sweet pork, yeah, so you've got to add quite a bit of sugar. Then we add 3 tablespoons of honey. I haven't got no honey, so substitute with my maple syrup, just as good. So let's add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's a lot of maple syrup. Love the taste of maple syrup. Okay, so then we add fermented bean curd, but I don't have bean curd. Okay, you can use miso paste if you don't have bean curd. There's Chinese bean curd, it's like a red bean curd, fermented, gives it that umami flavor. So I'm going to use the next best thing is soybean paste. Okay, Thai soybean paste. That'll work. So we add 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got to make enough sauce for your meat. And then let's put that lid on there. We got to add soya sauce, but I don't have soya sauce, I ran out. So I'm going to substitute it with Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, that's how you say it. Or Worcester. Okay. 1, 2. Go easy on this, I haven't got much left. 3. Okay, but add soya sauce, but I thought I bought a bottle, don't know where it's gone. Okay, we add some salt. Okay, you need salt, so just add 2 teaspoons. 2. Okay. Then we add some 5 spice powder. Think about a tablespoon of 5 spice powder. Just a bit more. That's 5 spice powder. Okay. 5 spice. And then we add hoisin sauce. Got a bottle of hoisin sauce. Okay. Quite hard to find in Thailand actually, hoisin sauce. So we'll add hoisin sauce. We'll add 1, 2, 3 generous tablespoons of hoisin sauce. It's going to make your char siu nice with hoisin sauce. And then we add some oyster sauce. This is a Thai brand oyster sauce, very expensive in England. Over here is about £1 something. Okay, haven't got much left in the bottle, might as well use it all. It's not enough, but luckily I bought another bowl. There you go. This is Legum Gay oyster sauce, Chinese one. Surprised I found this in the local supermarket. Weird, they had loads of bottles. Gives it that umami flavour. So I had about three. Okay. And we'll add a bit of dark soy sauce as well. You don't need much, just about one. Gives it colour. Okay. Okay, and then we add some sesame oil. Okay. We add a big tablespoon of sesame oil. That will help to bind the meat. Any oil will help to bind the meat. Okay, lock it in. And then we'll mix that all together. I'm going to put this on the stove for a little while and melt it. Okay, be back. So it's lovely evening, nearly 6 o'clock. Sun's going down. So we're just heating this up. You can add red colouring, but I don't have any. Okay, and the fermented bean curd is like a red colouring as well. But that's why you see it all red in the Chinese restaurants, but I don't have that. So we'll make this for Chinese New Year tomorrow. Anyway, see it's thickening. Turn it down a bit. And then, oops, turned it off. I'll start that back up. Okay, and what we're going to do, we're going to add some cornstarch to it to thicken it up, to bind it. Okay, this will help to marinate the pork, to cling on to the pork. That's about enough. You don't want it too thick like gravy. Okay, and that's done. So we just let that cool down, and Bob's your uncle. That's my marinade. Okay, so we're gonna make this is a char siu meat I got just from the market. Okay, it's really good, the market. I should take a video of it, but there's no refrigeration. Okay, we just put the meat out on the table and you just pick your piece, right? I'll show you that next time, but I've eaten it, nothing wrong with it. Okay, so this is anyone guess what cut this is? Anyone? Yeah, this is pork neck. Okay, char siu, you have to use pork neck or pork shoulder, but I prefer the neck because the neck has got more fat. You see all the layers of fat and different textures of meat in the neck. Okay, that's what you want. Char siu, if you make it with a lean meat like a fillet, it doesn't come out good. Okay, it's rubbish. That's a dry meat. But a lot of Thai people use, like all the barbecue pork I had, the mudang I've had here is not really nice. Except when I went to the Chinese restaurant, they done it properly with pork neck or shoulder. Okay, so pork neck is the cut you want. Okay, let's. I'm gonna cut it pretty thick because I want a thick char siu. So we just cut it into strips. Okay, make sure you have a sharp knife. This is my dad's knife when he was a chef. This is probably over 50 years old, this knife. But this is the best knife there is in the kitchen Forget all those Japanese knives and fancy knives, right? This is the one you want. The chop bones with it, chop chicken, slice like I just done, fillet fish. You could do everything with this knife, okay? And it's full tang, stainless steel, so it won't break. So that's the kind of cut you want, okay? Nice thick, like that, like hanging in the shop. Can you imagine that roasted? Like so. Okay, probably get like another, yeah, 2 pieces, 3 pieces. Okay. Chinese New Year tomorrow. What you guys doing? I think I'm gonna make char siu and give it to the family to eat, because Grandma was wanted to eat. I want to eat more then. I'm gonna do it in my clay oven as well that I've just discovered I got. So nice fat marbling. Okay, that's what you want. Okay, I'll get back to you. Just gonna wash my hands. Okay, right, so the sauce is cooled down, as you can see. Okay, and I'll put the char siu, the pork, in a Ziploc bag. Okay, it's easier to marinate this way. It doesn't get messy with your fingers, so it's just a convenient way to do it. Okay, I was going to marinate in the box. You can if you want. I find it just easier to do it this way. So we've got a lot of marinade here, and we pour all that in to the Ziploc bag. Okay, so it's nice and thick. Okay, it's nice and thick. Get it all in. Don't waste the marinade. Smells like char siu actually, the sauce. Which is great. Great start. I tasted it as well. It's I think it's sweet enough, because I've got maple syrup and brown sugar in it. So all we do is seal it up with a Ziploc. I can taste the Worcestershire sauce, Worcester sauce. American people can't say that. Huh? Americans say it funny, but it's Worcester sauce, or Worcester sauce, depending. And then we just give it like a really good marinade like this in the Ziploc bag. Ziploc bag has got a hole. That's no good. So I'm gonna stick it in this as well, just in case. Yeah, it's an old bag, so I'll move it like that. It's all right. I just flip it from time to time. So you put it in the fridge, marinate for overnight, so tomorrow is Chinese New Year and we can roast it. Okay, and just every couple of hours, just flip it, give it a good massage, and that should be okay. So looking forward to smoking it tomorrow in my clay oven. The hot day on the homestead, about 33 today, with a little bit of wind. So got the char siu all set up to cook. Okay, in my flower pot. We're going to cover that with my wok and let it reach temperature of 76. Okay, we have to baste it from time to time, every half an hour maybe. Alright, get back to you when it's done. So internal temperature has reached 76. Let's have a look at it. Oh, look at that. Man, this oven's good. Look at that char siu. That looks like char siu, man. Look at that. Gonna pull it off now and let it rest. Just look at that char siu. Your crispy burnt ends. Okay, the oven done really well. It looks like char siu. I didn't even add any food coloring. What do you think? So juicy. Would you eat this? I'm sure you would. Char siu with rice and some veg. Okay guys, that's my char siu. Okay, as you can see, it's cooked right the way through. Let's give it a taste test. Oh, I can't wait that long. So I cut it when it's hot. That has got char siu flavor, guys. It's you know, salty, not too salty. Salty, sweet, and man, it's soft. That pork neck is a cut to have to make char siu. Anyway, happy Chinese New Year, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a long one, but happy Chinese New Year. Health and wealth and happiness. Bye-bye.